If a guy says you have to get pregnant before he marries you, that he has to check your fertility ability before he gets married to you, my sister, that is the biggest red flag you can ever see. You don't need anybody to tell you that you are going into that marriage just to bear kids. First of all, they're going to place that kids, your own kids, they're going to place them above you. Those kids are going to be priority over you. Second of all, you are disposable. They can dispose you whenever they want. They can discard you whenever they think they are done using you. Not in all cases. Some cases the man might actually grow to love and respect you, but in good percentage of the time it's always the other way. You know, because your sole purpose for coming into that marriage is to bear kids, and the moment you bear those kids, you are so disposable.